that washing machine run off of?
The Maytag.
Really?
They built their own engine.
Is it gasoline or steel?
It's gas, and you mix.
Mix oil with it, or?
Yeah. Mix that much oil and that much gas.
Wow. Interesting.
Just 30 weight oil.
Huh. How long will it run on that much gas?
45 minutes, an hour. Now, I have them see this here.
Yeah.
It's a butter churn.
Wow.
And it goes in. If you go, see where this woman is sitting? If you go right over top of her head, there's two Maytags over there. One of the Maytags, she makes butter in.
Wow.
This just makes it, you pull the center out and you just set this in.
So how old is that? Or what year is it?
It's early 30s.
Early 30s?
Believe it or not, Maytag still makes gas motors for third world countries.
Wow.
It's a newer engine than this, but it just runs one speed.
I didn't know they had something like that.
Oh yeah, I got 3 of them,
Oh, wow.
and they all run.
Is that stainless steel or just regular metal? Or?
You know, it's some form of galvanized. This here, I think it's maybe have some aluminum or something in it, because it's light.
Wow.
So, and then they made it where you take the ringer off and you slip it on, and there's the meat grinder.
Huh. That's kind of like Kirby does with their vacuum cleaner. Multiple years.
The meat grinder, I bid one up to $350, and afterwards I asked the old boy, he said that's only the second one I've seen.
Wow.
That I was willing to go to 500.
Well, that's the first gas-operated washing machine I've ever seen.
Oh no. I think there's 3 or 4 of them around here.
Really?
Yep, over there, there's... The women love them.
Yeah. I can picture it in an apartment, someone banging on the wall. Can you turn that down?
Yeah. Well, and then... You see this? That slides up and down. That's the exhaust. So this is made to run inside the house.
Wow.
So you would take and run that out a window, and in cold weather, you would slide the window down, and so that wouldn't burn the wood stuff.
Wow.
That's original hose.
Wow. That's the first time I've ever seen one.
Yeah. Pretty interesting.
Yeah, it is. I mean, I've seen the old ringer washers that they use, electricity, but I've
Right.
never seen one with a gas motor.
Nope. They even make these in a twin cylinder. Well, right there's a Maytag twin cylinder right just beside that big motor.
Yeah. Thank you.
You bet.